guys, come back with me, Hari. Hoya. So now I'm in Hoya nurseries. Of course, it's me again, Hari and our garden flowers. Today I'm going to show you and share about Hoya plants, because I think Hoya is kind of new for some of the community and some of the buyers, especially in 2025, where people are trying to buy cutting of Hoyas or try to propagate from the big size and chop it. And I would like to share you on how to determine which is suitable for the beginners, intermediates, and for those who are already advanced or as a collector. As of for the beginners, we are really recommend to pick and choose a Hoya that has hard leaves and wide leaves. Also hard stem. This kind of Hoya is much stronger and it will be easy for you to grow and to acclimatize after it arrives in your door. Especially it is a fresh import plant, right? Then if you already choose and pick the beginner, other than the Clementarium, I also recommend this Calisopila, which has a wider leaves and leaves also thick. It's easy to maintain and to grow. When you are already confident enough and want to one step ahead and begin to grow at the intermediate level of Hoyas, we are recommending these two plants, the Perstigii and the, what's about the name of this?
Pistolepis.
Pistolepis. If you take a closer look, these two Hoyas has a thinner leaves, and of course it's not that variegated. It's not an inner, it's not an outer, it's not a splash, and it's not a silver also. This kind of Hoya is the intermediate level. For you guys who are already well experienced with Hoya and already collect some rare species, we are recommending this kind of Hoya. Those who are thin leaves, also has a high splash or silver on its leaves, like this Mitrata silver and this, what is this, Iqbal?
Glabra green.
The Glabra green. Glabra green. And one of the most expensive one is this kind of Hoya. Do you know what the name of these plants?
Nope.
I'll share you in the comment. But for one leaves, we sell for $150. It's still quite rare. So if you already understand enough what kind of Hoya that you are trying to grow and pick and start to begin with, those three levels I think can guide you to pick and choose the most suitable species for your collections. Okay guys, if you have more questions about Hoya and would like to add some more of your collections of this Hoya, don't forget to DM us or screenshot and we'll get back to you with special quotations. Alright then, see you in the next video.